Hi everyone, today topic is fundamental category data type. The purpose of fundamental category data type is that to store single value or elementary value. In Python programming, we have four types of fundamental category data types: int, float, bool, complex. Int is a predefined class treated as a fundamental category data type. The purpose of int data type is that to store integer data or whole numbers or integral values, numbers without decimal places. In real time, we came across the different number system data. In Python programming, we have four types of different number system data: decimal number system data, octal binary number system data, octal number system data, hexadecimal number system data. Decimal number system data, it is one of the default number system which is understandable by all human beings for day-to-day operations. This number system contains digits 0 to 9. All base 10 literals are called decimal number system data. Binary system number data. Binary data which is uh, which is understandable by OS and processor. The number system contains 0 1 digits. All base 2 literals are called binary number system data. Binary data must be preceded by 0 small b or 0 capital B. Syntax: 0 capital B or 0 small b. Hexadecimal octal number system data. Binary. This number system developed by microprocessor kit 8086 programming. This number system contains 0 to 7. All base 8 literals are called octal number system data. Octal number system data must be preceded by oracle zeros O 0 small o, where syntax variable name equal to 0 capital O or 0 small o. Hexadecimal number system data. This number system data, this is used to development of OSS. This number system contains 0 to 15. All 16 base all 16 base literals are called hexadecimal number system data. This all base 10 literals are all base 16 literals are called hexadecimal number system data. Hexadecimal data must be preceded by 0 small x or 0 capital X. Syntax: 0 small x or variable name equal to 0 small x or 0 capital X. Float is one of the predefined class treated as a fundamental category data type. The purpose of float data type is that to store floating point values or real constant values. With float data type, you can store scientific notation of data. The advantage of scientific notation: to save memory space or time storing large volume of regular floating point values. Float data type does not support binary data, octal data, hexadecimal data with regular floating point values directly. Bool is one of the predefined class treated as a fundamental category data type. The purpose of bool data type is that to store true or false. Here true is a keyword, false is also a keyword. Internally true is considered as a 1, false is considered as a 0. On boolean values we can perform on boolean arithmetic operations. Complex. Complex is one of the predefined class treated as a complex fundamental category data type. The purpose of complex data type is that to store complex data. The general formula of complex data: a plus bj. Here a is a real part, b is a imaginary part, j is considered as a square root of -1. Internally, complex data type as a float data types. Internally, real and imaginary parts of complex data treated as a float values. To extract real and imaginary parts of complex data object, we have two predefined data types or attributes: complex.a.real, complex.imaginary. On complex data, we can perform all types of arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. In Python programming, we have three types of base conversion functions: bin function, awk function, X function, hexadecimal.